Hello guys, I greet you from RBTI Health and Detox Pretoria. Just an interesting one. I've got two medical colleagues that work with me, and they take a stethoscope and they listen and they tell you what they think is wrong. If you look at world statistics, the most people are dying in the world. One, mistakes that doctors do. Second, side effects from medication. Medication has got a number called NNT, standing for numbers needed to treat. If you give someone a Disprin, the NNT number is 1. It works for every one person with white blood cell impairment and stomach acid reduction. Likewise, every medication has got a side effect. RBTI, a science that Dr. Reams developed, if you Google RBTI Dr. Reams, he had a 90% plus success in reversing disease. By knowing what your carb level in your body is, carbohydrates, knowing what your pH into your body is, and knowing what your pH out of your body is, by measuring saliva and urine. Saliva tells you what the liver looks like, urine tells you what in the lymph system is happening. Thirdly is what is your volts of your body. Fourthly, your kidneys secrete debris, dead cells, serum protein, beta cells, but those cells needs to be secreted. Most people today, their kidneys function, but they don't filter dead cells. They accumulate and they form a colony of such cells that the body then isolates, build the potassium, selenium, zinc and magnesium wall around the tumor, and that tumor is safe. Your body don't recognize it as an invader, and there's a very good reason for it. Cancer in this stage is your friend. It's trying to prevent your body from dying from the toxins in the body. And hopefully we will leave the lifestyle that we've got, and we will start eating like the Bible say we must eat. We are supposed to offer our body as a holy pleasing sacrifice. Lastly is when you eat meat, it becomes nitrogen. When you eat carbohydrates, it becomes ammonia. Those levels must be 3/3. 90% people that I test, his levels is 12 and 10. That causes thick blood. Now the heart have to pump harder. The carbohydrates, vapor, methane gas burns the liver then produces cholesterol, entering and safeguarding it. And if it can't do that, then we don't get fat for our brain lobes. And we develop Alzheimer, Parkinson, dementia, and all this sort of disease. So look at those 7 numbers in your body and get yourself healthy. Sorry. And that way you can safeguard yourself. Look at yourself. Thank you guys.